Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to perform a factory reset on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This will also work with the Samsung Galaxy S9 as well. So if you're planning on selling the device or if you're planning on giving it away, it's highly recommended that you perform a factory reset so that you don't leave any sensitive or important information on the device that you don't want nobody having access to. So doing this is totally going to wipe the device clean. It's going to remove any bank accounts that you may have been logged into. It's also going to remove any social media accounts like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Google. It's just going to totally wipe the device clean and remove everything. So if you've got any important pictures, videos, phone numbers, make sure you back them up before you actually perform this wipe. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you how to do the factory reset right now. It's real simple to do. Just pull down the notification and go into the settings, and then just scroll down till you see general management and select it. Then where it says reset, just select it. Also, this is very useful if you're having any problems with the device. 9 out of 10 times performing a factory reset can fix the issue. So here you can reset the device to its default settings. I don't think this option wipes the device totally clean. It just resets the settings, so you'll still have all your applications and everything still saved on there. So here you can reset the network. So if you're having network issues, you can just select this option here to reset the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth and other networks back to their default settings. But this is the one we want if we're going to totally wipe the device clean. We can perform a factory data reset, and it explains what happens. It resets your device to its factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded applications. So this is the one we want, so just select it. And once again, it's just letting you know that all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data. So yeah, if you really want to go ahead and perform the wipe, just scroll all the way down and then hit reset. And you get one last warning here: all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card won't be erased. So if you've got data backed up to your SD card, you don't have to worry about that getting wiped. That'll be perfectly safe. You can restore SD card data using Smart Switch after the reset. So if you want to restore your data, you can just use Smart Switch to restore your data after you perform the reset. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and do the reset. So delete all, and then it's going to shut down. Then it's going to boot back up. And now it's performing the factory reset. It's doing the wipe. And depending on how many things you've got on the device, it shouldn't take that long to actually do the reset. And the first boot does take a while. Okay, so it's just finished resetting. It's installing the applications. And now it's starting up. And if you're keeping the device, you'll just have to go back through the setup process. If you're selling it on, you can just turn it off right now. And put it in its box, and that's you're done. Anyway guys, if this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, leave any comments in the comment section down below if you have any troubles with it not booting up or anything like that, because that's known to happen sometimes. And thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.